call this making the compressor at home, I guess, or the improvements of having it in this spot and what we're doing to it to yeah, improve on it. So bent up some copper tubing, put it in there, took a piece of that heater hose and dropped down in the hole right there, and put the copper tubing in there just so it would give it something to keep it from rattling up against the metal. There we've got that. I might take and put a board under here to support that and put a clamp around it. But so now when I need to drain the compressor, when I tie wrapped it in there, the first time I did it, I opened it up and it was pushing the copper pipe out. There's so much air pressure. That's just open just a little bit. So easy tank drain. I like that, and no mess in the shop. So next thing, I'm gonna leave this open because I'm gonna need to drain the tank, because I need to undo this fitting and take this out so that I can you know, do all my stuff here. All right, here we go. We're all hooked up. The only thing I would change would be it'd be kind of nice if I had a 45 right here to kick this back towards the tank, but you know, it's not too bad. It does kind of stick out, but it is 3/4 pipe most of the way, so it's pretty rigid. I think for now I'm not going to hook anything to it, you know, a support. I think we'll see how it does, but I've got my ball valve and cut it off, and of course the drain, new gauge there. So I think we're pretty good. And then we're done for now. So this is what it looks like. I've got it set to cut off about 165, showing 160 now. I need to check and make sure I don't have any leaks. I'm pretty sure it cut off at 165. I'll mix up some soapy water and check for leaks. But I timed it, and it took from 0, completely empty tank, to 165 psi. It took 9.5 minutes. And looking online, that seems to be about right for it. So I think we're doing well. And hopefully, you know, I normally won't have to fill it up from empty, you know, because I do have a cutoff. So I haven't turned this on yet. Let's turn this on. Oh, forgot to put a fitting there. Let me put some thread tape on that and put it on. So now we've got that fitting in there. This will give us full pressure and then we've got regulated down pressure here. And then, like I said, this gauge is redundant because but I put it in there to plug the hole, and we will, when I hook up air through the rest of the shop with that rapid air setup, we'll take this gauge out and go in right there. So there it is. Got my water separator, and my pressure regulator didn't want to seal off at first. It was letting off the pressure like it does when it's too much pressure, but of course this thing hasn't been used in a year because it was on the compressor that didn't work, and it finally popped and sealed off, and it's working fine now. Old bottle, need to write soapy water on it, but that's why soapy water's nice. Look, it's my only leak right there. So let's let's undo. I'm going to try tightening it a little bit and see if it'll stop. Right, we're back up to pressure. No leaks. Oh, and I did fix that. So, we're in good shape. Yeah, we're right at about 165. I'm gonna leave it there. We're gonna turn the compressor off, cut our air off, and go inside. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe, and always enjoy reading comments.